Good morning. It's the next day at our lodge. Forgive the way my face looks. I'm tired. Jesus. I'm walking past my brother's room. And I'm kind of going to show you around the grounds. So, feeling super tired. Hello. And last night I tried to show you guys where we're staying, so I'm gonna show you guys now before kind of we leave, and then I will fill you in on what we're doing in Plettenberg Bay today, and also where we're staying tonight, because I made sure that they were different places just so that you guys would have more to watch and more to see. So yeah, enjoy. I'm gonna show you around, and then after that and go grab a cup of coffee so I can actually wake up and be like a good, what do you call me, what am I, adventure planner. Okay, cool, later. Good morning. Can you guys see me? Well, I can't see you guys because I'm looking at the sun, or I am, God knows. I hope you can see me properly. Good morning. We're not going for breakfast. I know I already said good morning, but I mean, we're not going for breakfast at the lodge that we stayed at. It's called the Cottage. I did do it myself actually. It's called the Cottage Pie Guest Lodge. I'm walking past like some of their places here, and it's so beautiful. It's actually at Rupert Beach Lodge, and he has a couple of lodges and guest houses for people to stay, and the one that we booked is called the the Cottage Pie Lodge. That's the one that we're staying in. Apparently this is one of his very first, and yeah, so I'm going for breakfast. Sorry guys, I'm going up the stairs, and fitness is clearly not here at all. Cheers. We're now sitting in breakfast. There you go. And I want to go show you guys the view. Oh my gosh, the view at Rupert Beach Lodge is amazing. But first I'm going to show you like the reception area. We're supposed to be checking out as soon as we're done with breakfast, and then we've got a couple of activities to do, but I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what the place looks like. Reception, the outside, it's really beautiful. It's like by the beach, like, oh my gosh guys. But let me start talking and show you. Mom, say hi.
Hi. Enjoying the sunshine and the sound of the waves. So cool, yeah?
So that's it. Tsutikama was amazing, and the Lilo and kayaking is one thing that I will tell you guys to definitely do. My shoulders feel a little bit stiff, but that's just because I'm not that fit anymore. But other than that, it was fun, and I would do it again. All of the people that I did it with, I think they'll never do it again. It's like one of those experiences, but I would definitely do it again. So from us and the family, peace out. Hello, hi, how are you?
Yeah.
We're now at Monkeyland.
The difference is between your monkeys and apes. You see, apes, they don't have tails, but monkeys do have.
Oh.
And also apes, they swing from tree towards tree, and where monkeys jump from tree towards tree. And also apes, their gestation period is the same as human, 9 months. Monkeys between 2 and 3 months.
Oh, monkeys are popping out babies, huh?
Yeah, they're popping up. Also, they have the same amount of teeth like human.
Hi guys, so I just finished with Monkeyland, and I couldn't really vlog too much in there because you're not allowed cameras because monkeys are naughty, guys. So can you even see me looking around? So now that we're done, we're gonna go to Birds of Eden, and then I'm gonna show you a whole lot more that side. So yes, by the way, Monkeyland is like a, let me go through with you. Monkeyland is like a monkey sanctuary. They use it as a sanctuary for monkeys that have been abused, ill-treated in different places in the world. So they just bring them here and keep them like in their natural habitats. They want them to live as naturally as they possibly can. We are now at Birds of Eden. About to check out the birds. It makes it sound so bad. So anyway, we're at Birds of Eden. We're about to take a tour with a fam, and I'll take you guys with us. It's literally like 5. I mean, how long is that? What's the difference between Monkeyland and Birds of Eden?
1 hour.
He's lying. It's like 200 meters. Like 200 is a lot. It's like 100 meters away. It's like in the same parking lot. They share the same parking lot. But anyway, we're there now. So enjoy. One of the best places in the world, according to me. One of the best places. One of the best places to visit. Plettenberg Bay. We're now going to Monty for wine tasting and lunch. So I'm pretty excited about that. We didn't end up managing to do Jukani, but we did do Birds of Eden and Monkeyland, and then we'll go to Jukani tomorrow. These are all sanctuaries, so I'm really, really excited about doing all of that. So I have lipstick on. So yeah, we're now going to Monty. I will film it for you guys and show you and like what wines they have. If you guys don't know, Cape Town isn't the only place where you have wine farms. In Plettenberg Bay, they also have a couple of wine farms. I'm not sure how many, I've kind of forgotten, but I'll ask and I'll let you know. But if I'm not mistaken, maybe 26 wine farms. I know they have 29 wine farms. 9 wine farms. No, they have more than that. But anyways, I'll tell you guys later, or I'll just cut this out. Now at Monty wine tasting. I'm sure I showed you guys a little bit about the wine. So we're now eating food. It's been paired with some cheeses, homemade jams, bread. I don't know what that is. I think it's bread, and then pate, an onion. What did you call it? and onion something. There was chicken, but you know these guys ate all of it. So I'm walking towards mom whilst our food is coming because we're done with the wine tasting and we ordered food. Where she's trying to recreate one of my Instagram pictures. So yeah, let's go see how that works out. So we're now at the bungalow where we're gonna have tapas and cocktails. It's right by the beach, so you have the most perfect beach front view. Like, look at that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. How gorgeous is this place? I mean, really.
Daddy,
Honestly.
what's the word?
So guys, we're now at the bungalow. It's like by the beach. Oh my god. It's got the best vibe. I mean, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Anyways, so let's go in. They have like these bean bags, right? And you can't even say much about them except for the fact that vibe.
It's a vibe.
It's a vibe, guys. Go. How you doing? So we're now about to have cocktails and tapas and a whole lot of food and all and drinks before we head on over home for a chill session. But before that, we are going to make sure that we enjoy every single bit about this place. They have cocktails, they have the best music, they have soccer. I mean, honestly, what more could you ask for? Other than that, guys, join us. Love ya. Bye. I'm gonna stop being silly, but now switch it this way. There we go. Okay. So now we're gonna go upstairs to the deck. I'm having a strawberry mojito, I think. Oh, guys, this place is amazing. Perhaps some mojitos and perhaps we're gonna enjoy a little bit of the feels, you know. They go hate.
Somebody that will play. Who volunteer?
Wow. So how you feeling?
When I was winning.
Like I'm winning.